Okay, so the egg hunt answers. So number 1 is right next to the podiums, nice and easy. It's a little freebie. And then what you want to do is go right to the left behind the carrots, and then egg number 2 is right there. And then for the third egg, what you want to do is follow the path until you see that tall birch tree, and then you'll find the barrel like inside of it, quite neatly tucked away. And then for the fourth egg, what you want to do is go to the axolotl shop, go behind it, and then you'll see egg number 4. For egg number 5, you want to go to the opposite side of the map, to the disc shop, and then just under these leaves you will then find egg number 5. One of the clues that I gave all of you is that you want to go to the outskirts of the map, because that's when you'll find egg number 6, just under this bridge. For egg number 7, you're going to want to fly over to the terracotta shop, and then just between the walls of the shop and the actual mountain, you'll find egg number 7. So 5, 7 and 8 is actually quite close to each other. So for number 8, you want to go into the disc shop and then go upstairs, and then just behind the piano there, you will find egg number 8. So those are all the eggs in the actual spawn and the shopping district, but the last 8 eggs are actually in my base, so that's where you'll find eggs from 9 to 16. So when leaving from a portal, what you want to do is go over to the mountainside, and then into the bushes you will find number 9. I thought this one would be easier, but a lot of people struggled with it, so that could have been my bad, but yeah. So from egg 9 to 10 is actually quite close together. You want to go over to the bridge and then go right to the base of it, and then it's kind of like tucked in between the rocks and the stone of the bridge. Egg 11 I think is one of the sneakier ones, but I think it's more of the obvious ones, because when you go into one of these silos, it is full of barrels, but the one on the far left and then up the ladder towards one of the windows, you will find egg number 11. For egg number 12, I thought was again another obvious one, but clearly people struggled a little bit. But it is in the wheat field, and then under one of the trapdoors, under the water, you will find egg number 12. And then this is where the mana comes in, because I think the next 3 ones are here. So for egg number 13, you want to go to the top floor, all the way in the attic, go across like I guess the attic space, and then turn around, you will find egg number 13. I put this in the other spot where I just am now, but I thought it was quite obvious when you was walking in, so I made it a little bit harder. But again, not many people found that, which was kind of my intention, so yeah. As mentioned before, 3 of them are in the manor, so the 14th one is actually in this chimney, which I think was quite difficult to find because it was actually covered by a lot of the smoke, so I could forgive you if you didn't find number 14. But straight onto number 15 is actually this tree here. What you need to do is flip 2 trapdoors, and then you'll find egg number 15. And then finally, number 16 doesn't actually have an item frame, because I thought I'd make it a little bit more difficult, and it's under a path block next to the lake, and that is where the last egg is. I thought it was quite difficult, but someone actually found it quite quickly after they started, so well done them.